Hello guys and welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video tutorial I will show you how to fix sound or audio issues in Mistfall Hunter game. So without wasting time, here follow the fixes mentioned in this video very carefully. First fix is steps to fix sound problem or audio problem in Mistfall Hunter. So open Windows settings. On the left click on system, then click on sound. Scroll down. Under advanced option click on more sound settings. Select your default device, for example speakers, and then click on properties. Go to the spatial sound tab. From the drop down, first select off option, then hit on apply, OK, and then launch the Mistfall Hunter game and check if your problem is solved or not. If not, then first close the game and then again go to the spatial sound tab, and from the drop down select Windows Sonic for headphones and then hit on apply, OK, and then relaunch the game and check. Fix 2. Make sure sound levels in game is set to 100%. So look for audio settings within the Mistfall Hunter game menu and make sure that the volume and other audio settings are correctly configured. Make sure the volume bars are set to 100%. Additionally, if you're using headphones, then you may like to try using speakers to see if any sounds play or not. Fix 3. Steps to fix sound or audio problem in Mistfall Hunter game if you're using a Bluetooth headphones. So right click the Bluetooth icon in the system tray, select show Bluetooth devices, scroll to the bottom and select more devices and printer settings. Right click your headphones and select properties. Then go to the services tab, uncheck hands-free telephony, a remote control and remotely controllable device. Hit on apply and then launch the game and check. Fix 4 is to set default sound device. So click on the sound icon in the system tray and make sure your system volume is set to 100%. Then select your audio device above your system volume. Select the sound device you are using for the game. After the sound device is selected, restart the game and then test it for the improvement. So by following these fixes, you can easily fix sound or audio issues in Mistfall Hunter game. So that's all for this video. If this video helped you, then please like and subscribe to my channel, share this video and hit the bell icon to get the latest updates. Thank you.